Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bicycle Challenge. Today I shall review 91 DeFire Pro 29T. There are two colors available in this model. One is Ace Black Red and second is Blue Yellow. Let's go. This is 91 DeFire Pro 29R. Company provides carbon high tensile steel frame that is lightweight. Around the weight is 15 to 17 kg. Company provides here threadless steel fork that has 100 mm travel, and the suspension is quite good. The handlebar is not larger or not smaller, the medium size. It gives you comfort while daily ride, and this is not made for a long ride. If you want to do long ride, then you have to install a larger handlebar. And the tire size is 29 inch 2.10 both end. The rim is dual wall alloy rim. Company provides both end disc brake. The disc brake side is 160 mm and the calipers are of Sprangdam company. Company provides a side stand with this model. This is the saddle, and the saddle is softer side, means it provides you a good support while daily ride and long ride. But if you want to install a back cushion, then you may install. The company provides here microshift gears, that is 7x3 21 speed. Front 3 and back 7. Three frictions and the 7-speed freewheel tube. The model is quite good. Its MRP is around 17,199 rupees. No models come with pros and cons. It has also many pros and some cons. I shall share some pros of this model. The size of this model is quite good, and the largest side. The frame is durable and sturdy. The company provides here matte finish color and the water decal sticker here. That means the sticker will not be damaged. It has threadless fork. That means it provides you a good comfort and good handling while riding. This is the main point is saddle. The saddle is very soft, and there is a 29-inch tire. That means it provides a good grip in the road. The tire is also not a thick, but it's good. As this is a MTB section, so you can go with it for off-road and also many rough surfaces. It can go with it. And I shall share some cons of this model. Company does not provide the front and rear mudguard with this model, and company provides a microshift gear system, or sometimes company provides skillful gear system with this model. But some companies like Rodeo and Snell provide Shimano gear set in this range, and the price of this model is quite costlier than Shimano and Snell models. Within 17,199 they provide Shimano gear set, but you will not get the size. That size must maybe 2060 or 27.5, but in this range you will get 29er model. And one thing I missed, the company provides Heartex tire, that is Indian made, and the tire is looks good. And I focus in that model if it catches it. No, it doesn't catch. But I see the model is Jupiter Pro 29er. The model is good, and if you choose only 91, then we will go for it. The Oath pricing, it is available offline and online stores. If you think the video is helpful, please share it with your friends and give like to encourage my work. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get many more exciting videos. That's all my viewers. See you soon.